Right behind me is our one-of-a-kind fiberglass fifth wheel trailer. This particular one is featuring the acrylic windows and also a power awning. Follow me inside and I'll show you around. All right, so here we are in this beautiful interior featuring white cabinetry. This is the planked coffee oak formica on the countertop. And we also have Havana tobacco on the floor. That is the flooring in this particular one. This one's been outfitted with the optional quartz stone sink in parchment. And it'll come standard with this high neck faucet as well. Standard in this one here is a flush mount 2-burner cover. This does change from time to time as to appearance, but this is currently what we're installing. This one here also has this really nice acrylic cover over top of the light, just to protect the underside of the overhead cabinet. If you look over on this side here, you'll see our standard 2-way 7 cubic foot fridge, which runs off of propane or electricity. And we've also outfitted this one with a microwave oven as well. And you'll see there's plenty of storage here. So you can use this area as a pantry, which is super convenient. And then we have tons of other storage cabinets underneath your kitchen counter and on the opposite side here as well. And then this one features the wet bath, if you'd like to take a step inside and see what that looks like. In this step area, you'll notice there's tons of storage under here as well to put those larger items. Tons of storage space here by the door as well. Optional stereo. And then we have a full wardrobe area here at the foot end of the bed. And we have a full queen size bed here too for you. And a couple of LED reading lights above the bed and an escape hatch in the ceiling. The trailer comes complete with LED light fixtures throughout. It'll come standard with a max fan like you see here, which will intake and exhaust fresh air. And this one's also been outfitted with the Houghton air conditioner, which is super quiet. All right, and here in the dinette area, this one has the standard bench configuration with a bench on the driver's side and the passenger side. And this one here can also be converted into a bed. Like you see, the table's in the lowered position. You just take the backrest cushions, place them on the tabletop, and you have a sleeping area for 1 or 2 extra people. So this has just been a brief showcase of our E5.0 fifth wheel. If you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out to us. I'm Linda. I'm the customization manager here at Escape Trailer. Thanks for watching.